Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable location services on Mac. Click Apple icon, System Preferences. Click Security and Privacy. Click Privacy tab. Click the lock to make changes. Type password. Click Unlock. Uncheck Enable Location Services. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.